Why should my club worry about sustainability? In the next few years, rugby clubs are going to face some challenges and risks to their operation. Rising energy prices, water and waste costs, combined with increasing threats of flooding and drought, and increasing insurance premiums, are all coming together to contribute to ever-increasing club running costs. However, rugby clubs can turn this into an opportunity, as sustainable clubs should thrive in the future. By taking action to reduce running costs, clubs can save money, which can be fed back into improved facilities and resources to improve the club. Many clubs survive on what money they can raise from members and club sponsors, but most just about keep their head above water, spending what they have to keep the club going while focusing all their energy and commitment on the rugby. Maybe this is your club. Now, imagine your club in 5 years' time. Imagine your energy bills have risen by over 25%. How are you going to find the extra money? Maybe you've had to raise playing fees for the players. Maybe you've had to go out and find a new sponsor. Or maybe it would be better to reduce those bills by using less energy. Maybe that's not a bad idea. So where do you start? Step 1. Wasting energy. Kick waste into touch. If you think of energy as cash flowing into your building and being burnt to create heat and light, would you still leave heating and lighting on in rooms you're not using? Here are a simple few actions you could think about to kick waste into touch. Stop overheating. Making a room just 1 degree hotter requires 5% more energy. Use draft excluders, insulation strips and drawer curtains to reduce heat escaping through windows, doors and letterboxes. Label your light switches and turn on only the ones you need. If this is not possible, maybe you need more light switches. Only turn on your radiators when you plan to use the room. Stop wasting energy and you'll start saving money. But this is only the start. Step 2. Efficiency. Investing now to save money in the future. In many ways, energy efficiency is much easier than reducing waste because you don't have to stop doing anything. With energy efficiency, the aim is to get the same benefits: light, heat, hot water, but using less energy to get it. Energy efficiency is an investment. Efficient replacements are often more expensive, but day after day, they save you money until they've paid for themselves and more. It's a bit like buying new shoes. You can buy the cheap ones to save money now, but in a few months the stitching will break or the soles will wear through. You replace them, and the cost of those shoes just doubled. Or you can pay more now for better shoes that last 10 times as long, and you've got dry, comfortable feet for many years to come. Here are a few ideas you could look at to make your club more energy efficient. Replacing old lights with LEDs can save as much as 90% on your lighting costs. Consider installing lighting controls in toilets and little used areas to save up to 80% of associated cost. Installing boiler controls to make sure your boiler is working only when it's needed and it's not overheating. Typical saving 25%. Insulate your clubhouse. In a typical clubhouse, 55% of heat is lost through the roof and walls. This means that more than half the heat you produce isn't heating the room, it's heating the outside world. Replace boilers over 15 years old. New boilers can be as much as 40% more efficient. Bar fridge controls. Do you need cold bottles at 4 a.m. Tuesday morning? Bar cooling can be the single biggest cost in a club. Good controls can reduce this by as much as 40%. Becoming energy efficient means running the same great club you've always had, but spending as little money as possible to do it. Think about all the balls you could buy with the savings. Step 3. Generation. The last and biggest step is energy generation. Why pay for something you can get for free? Okay, so energy generation is not quite free. In fact, it's the most expensive step on this list. But all that energy you've saved from kicking waste into touch and becoming more efficient will have made this a cheaper option because you do not have to generate so much anymore. Installing renewable options such as solar panels or wind turbines can have a big impact on your club's finances. Generating your own energy has two big positives. One, what you generate for yourself is free, so big savings on your utility bills. Two, the UK government are supporting all renewable installations and will pay you to generate your own energy. This means more money being brought into the club. Unfortunately, not all clubs can install renewables. So we suggest you look at the RFU technical guides or speak with your RFU area facilities manager for more information. Conclusion: every club can save money through reducing waste and improved efficiency. This is money you can use to improve the future of your club. So why should your club worry about sustainability? Because sustainable clubs will thrive in the future, and tomorrow is the future.